Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to upscale Google Veo 3 to 4K 60 FPS. So you can do this by using FreePix. So if you go to freepix.com, so you can use this website to create this. Okay, you can through FreePix. So what we're going to do once you're here on FreePix, go to video generator. So click on the video generator. Okay, so click on video generator and here on the video generator. And then what we're going to do is to generate a video, you're going to select the model. So for the model here, click on the model option, and then from the model option here, choose. So click on the model option here, and then from the list here, choose Google Veo3. Okay, select that. So click on it and select that. So now you'll be using the Google Veo3 model to generate the images, the video. Okay, so now you can simply generate so whatever you want to generate the video. So you can just write in your prompt. Okay, so let me just write a prompt, for example a sample prompt. So for example something like this. So once you're done with the prompt, you can click on the enhance just to make it look better. You can click on enhance. All right, and then once that's done, all you have to do is hit on generate. So this generation needs like an upgrade, so you need to pay for it. So once you have upgraded the plan, you'll be able to generate the video. So click on upgrade and generate the video. Once you generate the video, click on the edit option, and when you get to the edit option here, you will be able to change the video resolution. So you can set it to 4K, and then the frame rate as well, you can set it to 60. In that way you'll be able to upscale the Google Veo 3 to 4K and 60 FPS through FreePic.